Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to create a live video post on Facebook and share it with specific friends. This updated guide will make it easy for you to connect with just the right audience. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the box at the top of your news feed that says, "What's on your mind?" Tap on that box to begin creating a post. Next, from the options that appear, select Live Video. This will open up the Facebook Live interface, where you can set up your live stream. Here's an important step. Tap on the audience selector. By default, this might show as Public or Friends. Once you tap it, a menu will appear with different privacy options. From here, choose Specific Friends. This allows you to pick exactly who can view your live video. It's perfect for sharing moments with a select group without broadcasting to everyone. After selecting your audience, you're ready to go live. Simply tap the Go Live button, and you'll be streaming in real time to the friends you've chosen. Share your moments, interact with your viewers, and enjoy connecting in a more personal way. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, opening the app, selecting Live Video, choosing Specific Friends, and tapping Go Live, you can create a private live video experience tailored to your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.